Page 12, Singing Thoughts. Look it over, it's 1 page long. Treble bass clef, 1 sharp in the key signature. It's either in G major or E minor because those are the keys with 1 sharp. If I look at the end, depending on a G chord, I figure it's probably in G major. But do the scales for both, G major and E minor if you're doing scales. 4/4 time signature, right hand first. We're here, sort of in this position. We might move around a bit, but 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, at the end of the second line, they want second finger again. I just use second finger. They want to do it again. And because of the phrasing, you can get away with it, but I like to connect things. I want a fingering that lets me connect them. Well, I got repeated notes there. I'm going to change on those. So I'm going to play the half note with third finger and then second finger. And in fact, to get ready for the D coming up in the next line, I'm going to do it again in the next measure. This is the last measure of the second line. Here, and then a 2, and then a 3, and then another 2. This way, I'm ready. I just want 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. And I walk my way up the keyboard that way, and that's what I recommend you do. And then going on, this is the third line down. The third measure is the whole note. They want 5 again going on. I don't recommend it. I mean, again, it's the end of a phrase. You're going to lift up anyway. You can move. But I prefer to feel my way around. So I'm going to use fourth finger here and then reach down. Because I can get all those notes in one hand position. I mean, that thing is actually a G chord. That's what we're doing. We're not using a G. So here, I'm just going to go on 1, 2, 3. And now I'm back like I was at the beginning. And then 2. Last line, 2. And for the last line, second measure, I don't recommend a 3. I recommend a 1. This way I'm in position. Because if I do a 3, I got to reach up here. And you can do that. I'd prefer not to. I just want to be in this position. So I'm from 2 to 1. I'm just going to do a 1 here. And then I'm there. Left hand, let's see what it's doing. They want you to do this. Bottom notes of G is staying the same. It's and I would prefer not to. You're going to get this kind of a pattern usually in boogie woogies and thing blues. So I'm going to use 5-2 for the bottom one throughout, wherever it is. So it's a 5. And that's what I recommend you do. It's a much safer, more secure fingering once you get the hang of it. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the second line, second measure, third measure, you just lift up and come up. And there's a lot of help, just come up. But again, 5-2. Come up again, and go down. Moving around a little bit. Third line. A little bit. This is tricky. If you can't get up in here, you got to switch these 2 around. You got to do here. Big your hands are, but if you can, do a 2 and then a 1 and a 2 there, and then come on up again. Now here I am going to use thumb on both. This is third line down, third measure. It's 2, then a 1, and then come back down. Then I'll put the hands together. And starting at the end, the last measure of the first line, we're here. Left hand moves. Here. So, left hand moves again. Right hand, I just fourth finger, the left hand moves. I like this because I'm not moving both hands this way. I'm just reaching down a little bit with the right hand. I'm focusing on the left here. That's basically what it is. So I put the hands together, and then I'll go back over just a few measures at a time and get rid of any hesitations. Go as slow as you need to, but no hesitations. And once the hesitations are gone, I think about the articulation, which they don't give us any. A couple of fermatas, that's it. The fermatas you hold out as long as you think is right. If I do it with a metronome, I double the value because I got to stay with the metronome. So like a whole note, rather than 4 counts, I'd hold it 8 counts. Or a dotted half note, rather than 3 counts, I'd hold it 6 counts. I just double it. After the articulation, then I do the dynamics. It starts out mezzo piano, or sort of soft. Whatever you think, sort of soft. But when the right hand comes in, that is sort of soft. This has to go down to soft. And you're basically just staying there for the whole piece. Well, again, once you get into it and you're comfortable with it and you're feeling it, if you feel like getting a little louder in softer places, do it. Because you don't need to do the whole thing at medium soft. It's like in the third line. Maybe I start that at medium soft. Maybe a little louder. Up to a little louder, medium loud. And then come back down to moderately soft. Just for some difference, it's not the same all the time. That's not what I'm after. Speed-wise, they don't give you speed, and the singing style means nothing. It's you're thinking of singing this, so how fast you go? 1, 2. How fast would you sing it? Well, how fast can you play it accurately? You don't need to do it fast. It's sort of a happy, I think, but not super fast happy. Oh. So I tend to want to kind of get softer toward the end, let it kind of fade out. Then in the fourth line, the last measure here, again, the half note is a smaller value, so I'll just double the value of the half note. I'll hold it 4 counts and go on. 4, hold 2. And the other one, I just hold on. Generally how it works. It doesn't have to work that way. I mean, I don't know of a rule that says that. It's just generally it works out very nicely. Especially with a metronome, you got to stay with a metronome. Because otherwise, you're just feeling how long you want to hold this. How long does it feel right to hold that? And then you go on. Same thing in the fourth line is however long it feels right, and then you go on. Everybody does a little bit differently. Let's play this together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do any dynamics. There really aren't any. I can't slow down like it says to. I'm going to double the value of all the notes with fermatas. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Hold. Go on. 3, 4. Hold. Go on. 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4.